Our home for the weekend was Country Cascades Waterpark Resort in the heart of Pigeon Forge. And even though we arrived after dark, we could already tell we were in for a great stay. As soon as we stepped into our room, it had a cozy Smoky Mountain cabin feel. We stayed in a room with 2 queen beds featuring adorable bear-themed bedding, rustic decor, warm wood accents, and touches that really embrace the mountain lodge atmosphere. The water park is definitely the heart of the resort and a place where kids can easily spend hours having fun. From exciting water slides and interactive splash areas to multiple pools, there's something for every age to enjoy. If you're looking to relax, you can soak in the hot tub or rent one of the private cabanas for an additional fee and enjoy a little extra comfort while your children play. One thing to keep in mind, the water park gets extremely busy, especially during peak time, so parents should plan to stay nearby and actively supervise both younger and older children while they are enjoying the attractions. There's so much more to enjoy at Country Cascades Waterpark Resort than just the water park. Be sure to ask about the Fun Pass, which gives guests access to a variety of activities throughout the resort. Stop by the Outpost shop to pick up some souvenirs and travel essentials, or satisfy your sweet tooth at Candi's Sweet Shop, where you'll find gourmet popcorn, chocolate-covered pretzels, caramel apples, cookies, fudge, and plenty of other delicious treats. We tried the candy apple, the caramel apple, 10 out of 10. If your little one is feeling adventurous, test their skills on the rock wall. Just $10 for 3 climbing attempts. Throughout the day, the resort hosts all kind of family-friendly activities like dance parties, crafts, story time, which gives kids even more ways to stay entertained. When it's time to eat, start your morning with breakfast at Granny Clucket's. Or grab a slice of pizza or some ice cream for a quick bite, or for the adults, unwind with your favorite cocktail from the watering hole. Unfortunately, the outdoor water park was closed for renovations during our stay, but with everything else at the resort had to offer, there was still plenty to keep everyone entertained for the weekend. And then, hey, there's Pigeon Forge. And when you're in Pigeon Forge, there's always something fun to do. You'll never run out of places to explore or things to experience. One quick tip about parking at Country Cascades is complimentary for guests, but keep in mind, trailers are not permitted on their property. Overall, I really enjoyed my stay at Country Cascades. It's clean, convenient, and packed with activities that make it a great choice for families. I give it a solid 8 out of 10, and I would definitely consider staying here again for my next trip to Pigeon Forge. If you enjoyed this resort review, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new adventure. I'm your favorite travel chick, inspiring you to travel boldly, live freely, and enjoy every moment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next adventure.